Hey everyone, Perian here. I am super excited to be back with a massive announcement. We have been working for the last 2.5 months on a massive redesign for MoneyCoach. This is the first major feature that you will see in the next version 9.7. And in this video, I am going to show you how to make the best out of this new feature. But before we get into that, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos about MoneyCoach and product development. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. After you update the app to the new 9.7 version, you will see a couple of new major changes. The first one is that you can view all your accounts directly via a new button in the tab bar. Next, the account list has been redesigned from scratch. At the top, you can now see a summary of all your accounts, including a breakdown of your assets and liabilities. Under that, you will see the updated list, including the new account grouping. Now, let me show you how to get started by setting up your own groups. While in the account list, tap the ellipsis button on the top right, then select the edit button. In the new screen, you can create a new group and then you can just drag and drop accounts below the group. Let's create a bank account, credit cards, cash and goals groups and drag and drop the respective accounts to these groups. Once you do that, tap the Done button. The account list now will be updated with the new groups and account order you just selected. Isn't that cool? Each group will include the total balance of all accounts included in it. You can also collapse or expand groups to your liking, giving you more customization options. If you go back to the edit mode, not only you can drag and drop accounts from and to other groups, but you can also move groups up or down the list by just dragging the group. When you do that, all accounts that are below or included in that group will move with the group as you can see here. And to edit a group name, just tap the ellipsis button next to that group and change the name. Yeah, it's that easy. This is the new account grouping. We are super excited for you all to try this new major feature, which grants you a lot more control with managing your finances. Let me know what you think about this new feature in the comments down below. That's it, until next time. Ciao ciao!